Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken Alfredo using canned sauce. This simple guide will help you create a delicious meal in under 30 minutes. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of chicken, 1 jar of your preferred Alfredo sauce, and 8 ounces of pasta. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of olive oil for cooking. Now let's get cooking. Dice your chicken breast into 1-inch pieces for even cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the chicken and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until it's golden brown and cooked through. Always ensure the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. While your chicken rests, let's prepare the pasta and sauce. Boil 8 ounces of your chosen pasta, like fettuccine, according to the package instructions until al dente. Drain it thoroughly, but remember to save about 1/4 cup of the starchy pasta water. Now, pour the entire jar of Alfredo sauce into your skillet and gently warm it over low heat, stirring occasionally. Almost done. Now, add the cooked chicken and the drained pasta directly into the warm Alfredo sauce in the skillet. Stir everything gently until the pasta and chicken are thoroughly coated and heated through. If the sauce seems too thick, add a splash or 2 of that reserved pasta water to achieve your desired consistency. Serve immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh parsley and grated Parmesan cheese. Enjoy your easy chicken Alfredo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.